How to turn off MicroProfiler on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about turning off the MicroProfiler in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application or the website and log into your account. Then after, go ahead and join a server. Once you're in, go to the settings and then scroll down and find MicroProfiler. Here you can turn it off or on. When it's on, it looks like this. And to turn it off, simply toggle the setting. Alternatively, you can hold down the control button on your keyboard and press F6 to toggle it on or off. So these are the two ways to turn off the MicroProfiler in Roblox. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.